everyone, so good evening. So today is I'm going to discuss what I have learned in the subject of Philippine pop culture, Unit 1. So Unit 1 is all about the brief understanding. It is about the introduction of the subject. It is when or how, where the Philippine pop culture interact or started. Okay. So first to discuss is about what is the meaning itself of the Philippine pop culture. So what is a Philippine pop culture? So Philippine pop culture refers to the popular ideas, trends, entertainment that commonly enjoyed by Filipinos. For example, is music, social medias, movies, televisions, foods, and other entertainment purposes that us Filipinos are enjoyed about. So one thing that I've learned in the Unit 1 is the positive and negative effect of the Filipino identity in the Filipino popular culture. So first is the positive effect. Like the Philippine pop culture can help strengthen our Filipino identity. It allows us to express our languages, tradition, creativity, humor, and values. So we all know that as Filipinos is very talented. So Philippine pop culture help our identity promotes in a major programs and a major platforms like social media platforms. So Filipino pop culture have promote our own identity. But however, it has a negative effect like spreading misinformation and copying foreign culture without appreciating our own. Like this is very common problems for us individuals or for us Filipinos. Like for example, we tend to like K-pop groups, like we tend to like the Hollywood. Like in K-pop, like we like their music, to like how they dance. We do like how they dress a lot, and also to the Hollywood, like we like their movies, their theaters. It's very good. The cinematic effect, like it's very aesthetical. So it is okay to love other culture, but wag po nating kalimutan yung sariling atin. So, remember this. As a Filipinos, we should enjoy our modern Philippine pop culture while still appreciating and preserving our own culture and tradition. So, thank you everyone for watching. See you for my next video. Babush!